Belgium's beauty goes beyond its size, offering a blend of history, culture, art, and nature. Here's a more detailed exploration of what makes Belgium a standout destination in Europe. 1. Architectural and urban beauty. Brussels. The Grand Place in Brussels is often hailed as one of the most beautiful squares in the world. The ornate facades of the buildings, including the town hall and guildhouses, are rich in history and showcase Gothic, Baroque, and Louis XIV architectural styles. The Atomium, built for the 1958 Brussels World's Fair, Expo 58, is a unique monument shaped like an iron crystal, symbolizing both scientific progress and a futuristic vision. Bruges. Often called a fairy tale town, Bruges is famous for its canals, creating a Venice-like atmosphere. The Basilica of the Holy Blood, a Romanesque church, and the market square are essential stops to admire its medieval beauty. The medieval architecture is remarkably well preserved, and boat rides along the canals offer stunning views of the ancient stone bridges and buildings. Antwerp Cathedral, a stunning Gothic masterpiece, is home to several works by Peter Paul Rubens. The Antwerp Central Station, considered one of the most beautiful railway stations in the world, combines a mixture of Art Nouveau and Neo-Renaissance styles. Ghent. Known for its vibrant cultural life and medieval charm, Ghent's Gravenstein Castle, the Belfry, and the St. Bavo's Cathedral, which houses the famous altarpiece, The Adoration of the Mystic Lamb by the Van Eyck brothers, are key examples of Gothic and Romanesque architecture. 2. Natural beauty. Ardennes region. The Ardennes, in the southeast of Belgium, is a haven for nature lovers. The lush forests, hilly terrain, and tranquil river valleys, such as the Meuse and Semois rivers, provide a scenic escape. It's ideal for hiking, cycling, and outdoor sports. The region also has caves like the Caves of Han-sur-Lesse, which are among the largest in Europe, with impressive stalactites and underground rivers. The coast. Belgium's coastline may be small, just over 60 kilometers, but it offers a range of charming seaside towns like De Haan, known for its Belle Epoque architecture, and Knokke Heist, which blends sandy beaches with upscale galleries, boutiques, and restaurants. Nature reserves and forests. The Hoog Kempen National Park, Belgium's only national park, is a diverse landscape of heathland, forests, and lakes. It's perfect for hiking and birdwatching. The Sonian Forest, near Brussels, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offering a peaceful retreat into nature with its centuries-old beech trees. 3. Cultural and artistic richness. Art movements. Belgium has been home to some of the greatest artistic movements, including the Flemish Primitives, Flemish Baroque, and Surrealism. Artists such as Jan van Eyck, Peter Bruegel the Elder, and René Magritte are iconic figures in European art. In cities like Antwerp, you'll find galleries and museums that display everything from classical Flemish masterpieces to modern and contemporary works. Music and festivals. Belgium's cultural calendar is packed with events, such as the Tomorrowland Electronic Music Festival, one of the biggest in the world, and the Gentse Feesten, Ghent festivities, which draws thousands for a mix of concerts, theater, and street performances. The Carnival of Binche, a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage event, features the famous Giles, who wear elaborate costumes and throw oranges into the crowd for good luck. 4. Belgian cuisine. Belgium is a culinary destination, especially renowned for chocolate. Some of the world's finest chocolates are produced here, with renowned brands like Godiva, Neuhaus, and Leonidas. Brussels and Bruges are home to countless artisanal chocolate shops. Beer. Belgium produces over 1,500 different types of beer, from Trappist ales to Lambic and Goose. Abbey beers like Chimay, Rochefort, and Orval are world famous. Waffles. There are two main types of Belgian waffles, the lighter, rectangular Brussels waffle and the richer, denser Liege waffle, studded with pearl sugar. Moules frites, mussels with fries. This simple yet beloved dish is served all over Belgium, especially in seaside towns. Frites, fries. Belgian fries are a cultural staple, traditionally double fried for extra crispiness and often served with mayonnaise. 5. Historic monuments and castles. Belgium is dotted with over 3,000 castles, making it one of the countries with the highest density of castles per square kilometer. Gravenstein in Ghent is a well-preserved medieval fortress that offers sweeping views of the city. Bouillon Castle, located in the Ardennes, is one of Belgium's oldest castles, dating back to the 10th century. Waterloo Battlefield, the site of the famous 1815 battle where Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated. The Lion's Mound offers a panoramic view of the battlefield, and the Memorial 1815 Museum provides an immersive historical experience. 6. Multicultural identity. Belgium's unique cultural mix stems from its three distinct regions: Flanders, Dutch-speaking, Wallonia, French-speaking, and the German-speaking community in the east. This multicultural identity is reflected in the country's bilingual, or trilingual, signage, literature, and festivals that celebrate both French and Flemish heritage. Summary: Belgium's beauty lies in its perfect mix of medieval history, modern culture, culinary delights, and natural splendor. Whether you're walking along the canals of Bruges, admiring the Baroque grandeur of Antwerp, or hiking through the peaceful Ardennes forests, Belgium offers something uniquely beautiful at every turn.